It's so cute. Kiss your tail goodbye. Can you guess what animal this is from? Meet the gang. There's so many things you can use to make your paintbrush head. You can do this with your hair, your children's hair, your pet's hair if it's long enough. Or if you want the look of someone's hair and you don't want to seem creepy, use this as an excuse. Go on the table for your fur cut, Molly. Sit down, please. Good girl. Molly, I'm going to get some white, okay, from here. It's beautiful, Molly, your fur. Can I take a little bit of your fur from up here? From up there, just a little bit. Look, fur of yours. Can I have some of yours? Can I? Let's see. I'm very happy with what I got from you. Thank you. I'm pretty happy with all my paintbrushes. I love these pens and I don't like throwing them away, and it's nice to know that once I'm done with them, there's another use for them. Like Molly's, it's nice and soft. The pig's one is really bristly and I love it as well. Which one is your favorite? And if you want to share your idea for your paintbrush, let me know in the comments below.